Everyone wants a sexy business, startups, apps, crypto, but real money. It's made in boring businesses, the kind nobody talks about, the kind that quietly prints cash every single month. Here are 5 boring businesses that can make $10,000 a month. Number 1. Cleaning services homes, offices, Airbnb units. This business is simple. People always need cleaning. You don't need an office. You don't even need to clean yourself. Start with 1 to 2 clients. Hire cleaners. Charge a monthly contract. Repeat. Low cost, high demand, consistent income. Number 2. Lawn care and landscaping. Grass keeps growing, and people hate cutting it. This is one of the easiest ways to build steady income. Weekly clients, monthly payments. Start with basic equipment. Scale with a small team. One neighborhood alone can make you thousands. Number 3. Vending machine business. No employees, no office, just machines in the right locations. Gyms, schools, offices. You restock. The machine sells. Simple model. Predictable income. Scale is the game here. More machines equals more money. Number 4. Car wash or detailing cars get dirty. Every single week. Basic detailing can be started with low investment. Go mobile. Serve customers at their home. Charge premium for convenience. Build recurring clients. Upsell services. Simple work. Strong margins. Number 5. Storage units. People have too much stuff and nowhere to keep it. Storage is one of the most passive businesses. Once set up, it runs quietly in the background. Monthly payments, low maintenance, and demand keeps growing. Here's the truth. These businesses are not exciting. They won't make headlines, but they make money. Consistent, predictable, scalable. The goal is not to look rich. The goal is to become rich. And boring businesses win that game. If you want simple, practical ways to build real wealth, subscribe and stay with me.